Cryptocurrency is a word we hear more each and every day. But what exactly is it and how does it work? In today's video, we'll break down everything you need to know about cryptocurrency, from how it was created to the revolutionary technology behind it. This video will give you a clear understanding of how cryptocurrency operates and how it's changing the world of finance. At its core, cryptocurrency is a form of digital currency that uses cryptography for security. Unlike traditional currencies issued by governments, cryptocurrencies are decentralized and operate on blockchain technology, which means they are controlled by any central authority like a bank. Bitcoin, the first cryptocurrency, was created in 2009 by an anonymous person or group known as Satoshi Nakamoto. Since then, thousands of cryptocurrencies, including Ethereum, Litecoin, and Ripple, have been developed, each with its own unique features. So now, how does cryptocurrency actually work? Most cryptocurrencies operate on technology called blockchain. A blockchain is a decentralized ledger that records every transaction across a network of computers. Each time a transaction is made, it's grouped with others into a block, which is then added to a chain of previous transactions, hence the name blockchain. This decentralized system means that there is no single entity controlling the currency. Instead, every participant in the network has access to the same record of transactions. This makes cryptocurrencies secure and resistant to fraud or tampering. Cryptocurrencies offer several features that set them apart from traditional money. One key feature is decentralization, so there's no central authority that controls cryptocurrencies. Two is anonymity and privacy. While not completely anonymous, any cryptocurrencies offer a higher level of privacy than traditional banking. Three is security. Cryptocurrencies use advanced cryptography to ensure that transactions are secure. Four is accessibility. So anyone with an internet connection can access and trade cryptocurrencies no matter where they are in the world. Now, because of these features, cryptocurrencies are often seen as a way to democratize finance, giving people around the world access to the financial system that is secure and borderless. Now, blockchain technology is the backbone of cryptocurrency, but what exactly is it? A blockchain is a distributed ledger that stores data across a network of computers, making it decentralized and secure. When a new transaction occurs, it's broadcast to the entire network. Miners then compete to validate the transaction using cryptographic algorithms, a process called mining. Once verified, the transaction is added to the blockchain, making it permanent and tamper-proof. Blockchains are not limited to cryptocurrencies. This technology is used in smart contracts, supply chain management, and even healthcare to securely store records. Now, you may ask how new cryptocurrency is created. And to answer this, it's a process called mining. Miners are individuals or groups who use powerful computers to solve complex mathematical problems. When these problems are solved, they validate transactions on the blockchain and are rewarded with new coins. This process not only helps verify transactions, but also introduces new coins into the circulation. For example, Bitcoin mining has a cap of 21 million coins, meaning that once all Bitcoins are mined, no more can be created. Cryptocurrencies can be used in a variety of ways. One is buying goods and services. So many companies accept Bitcoin and other cryptos as payments. Two is investment. Many people buy cryptocurrencies as investments, hoping their value will increase over time so they can sell at a later date. Three is transferring money. So cryptocurrencies are also commonly used for transferring money across borders with lower fees than traditional methods. Cryptocurrencies have even started gaining transactions with large companies and financial institutions. Companies like Tesla, PayPal, and Square have embraced Bitcoin as legitimate forms of payment or investment. Now, while cryptocurrency has a lot of advantages, there also are some risks you must be aware of. One is volatility. Cryptocurrency prices can fluctuate widely, making them risky as investments. So two is security threats. Although blockchain is secure, the wallets and exchanges where cryptocurrencies are stored can be vulnerable to hacking. Three is regulations. So cryptocurrencies are still relatively new, and because of this, governments are still grappling on how to actually regulate them. It's essential for everyone in the crypto market to be aware of these risks and steps to protect their investments by using secure wallets and staying informed about regulation. So what does the future hold for cryptocurrency? Many believe that crypto is here to stay and that it could become a more widely accepted form of payment and investment. As companies, governments, and institutions explore blockchain technology, the use cases of cryptocurrencies will likely continue to grow. So whether you're investing, trading, or simply curious about the technology, understanding how cryptocurrency works is essential to navigating its future. The more the world shifts towards digital economies, the more likely it is that cryptocurrencies will play a major role. Thanks for watching this breakdown of what cryptocurrency is and how it works. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and visit bitcoin.net for more tips and getting started with cryptocurrencies and learning about blockchain technologies.